Hey guys, it's Kim here with Fairily Fiber Fun. Welcome to How to Use a Blending Board for Absolute Beginners. In this series, I will take you through everything you need to know, from the tools that are absolutely necessary, to the extras, to how to form your Rolags, the fibers to use, how to put them on the board, all the way up to the fancy schmancy play with texture and color fun. So I hope you will join me for this entire series where you will get to learn lots and lots about how to use your blending board and make the Rolags that you've been dreaming of that are divine to spin. To get started making your own fun, amazing, and fantastic Rolags, there's a couple of tools you're going to need. The first is a blending board. This is one that my son made for me for Christmas or my birthday, I don't remember which. I've been using it a lot, I love it. It's got a pretty standard size carding cloth on it for blending boards, so most blending boards would be about like this one. 2 dowels or knitting needles, or I've even seen people use drumsticks that are very, very smooth. You don't want the fiber catching on these, and the thickness is not super important. It's up to you how thick you want them to be, but sturdy enough, thick enough to be sturdy so that when you're rolling and pulling, you're not going to accidentally break your dowels, because we don't need splinters. And last but not least, well, not last, tool-wise, yes, you're going to need some sort of burnishing brush, and this is a simple little dog slicker brush for dog grooming. Cheap, easy to find, they work great. So those are your tools that you're going to need. You can get clamps if you want to clamp your board to a table, but they're not 100% necessary. I use clamps. The other thing you're going to need is wool. And if you want to add some sparkles, some bamboo, stuff like that, like I'm doing in these videos, you go ahead and grab some of that. One blending board will hold about 1 ounce of wool, so you'll want 1 ounce of wool and then whatever fun little stuff that you want to throw in there. If you don't have anything but wool, just use the wool. It's fine. You can use different colors to get different results. So let's go make some Rolags.